Hello, everybody. We're going to the supermarket today, and there we are going to practice the some and any grammar. This grammar is complicated, so please listen carefully. Some. Some plus countable noun meaning more than one. Some plus uncountable noun meaning a small quantity of something. Some in the interrogative meaning to offer something. Any. Any plus countable noun in plural or uncountable noun in negative. Auxiliary verb do, does, plus any in interrogative. We need to make a list of food and drinks of all the things we need. Do we have any biscuits at home? Interrogative. Yes, we do. There are some biscuits in the kitchen on the table. We don't have any fruit in the kitchen. Negative. Okay, so we need to buy some fruit. Affirmative. Do you want some water? An offer. Question. No thanks. I am not thirsty, but we can buy some water if you want. I want some chocolate biscuits because I like them with my English tea. We don't have any tea at home, sorry. No problem. We can buy some in the supermarket. Okay, everybody, well done. We have finished with the some and any video. It is important that you watch the video many times. Also, we must practice with gap fill exercises and the related grammar pages. Good luck and happy studying!